All right, so this video is going to help you with number 1 on CR Helper number 31. It says of the 56 students in 5th grade, 25% brought a sandwich to school for lunch. How many 5th graders brought a sandwich to lunch? You might choose to use a tape diagram. Lots of ways to go about this. Others might choose to use percent over 100 is the same as part over total, because 100% is the total percentage. I'm going to start with a tape diagram. I know I have 56 students total in the 5th grade class. So 56 students would represent 100%. 25% of them brings a lunch to school. Well, here's 0%. What's right between 0 and 100? Oh, 50% is right in between there. What's in between 0 and 50? Oh, 25%. What's in between 50 and 100? There we go. That's 75%. Okay. I care about 25% of those kids. So I care about 25% of the 56 students. How many parts did I break my tape diagram into? 4 parts. So I would have to take 56 and divide it by 4. Alrighty. So 4 goes into 5 once. Drag down that 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 14 students must represent 25% of these kids. 14 more students, or 28 students, would get us to 50%. 14 more students, or is that 42 students, would get us to 75%. And 14 more students, or 56, gets us to 100%. So 25% brought sandwiches. This represents 25%. 14 students brought sandwiches. Okay? You could also do percent out of 100. 25 out of 100 is the part. We don't know the part of students who brought sandwiches, but we know the total students is 56. I'm going to simplify this side just to make my life a little easier. 25 goes into 25 once. 25 goes into 100 4 times. So 1/4 is how many out of 56? 4 times what is 56? So 4 times 14 is 56. 1 times 14 gets us the part that bring a sandwich for lunch. So that's just 2 ways to look at that problem. I would either use a tape diagram or percent over 100 is part out of total. If you want to get really crazy, next year you'll do the percent equation. Part equals percent times whole. We don't know the part that brings lunch, but we know it's 25% times 56. But in order to use this equation, you have to rewrite the 25% as a decimal. 25% is a decimal, 25 out of 100, 25 hundredths. We'd use it as 0.25. So this is 0.25 times 56. This is just a third way to do the same problem. So if I did 56 times 0.25, 5 times 6, that's 0, carry a 3. 5 times 5 is 25, and 3 more is 28. 0 placeholder, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11. 0, 8, and 2 is 10. 2, 3, 4. 1 over 2 places, over 2 places. You're going to see no matter how I solve the problem, I get 14 students bringing lunch. Whether it's a tape diagram, whether it's your part over total is a percent over 100, or if you use the percent equation, which you'll use as 7th graders. Hopefully that helps with the first one.